Hi, fourth grade mathematicians. Welcome to another Monday Math. We are on day 1. This is for Monday, May 25th, and also for Tuesday, May 26th. So we've spent several weeks on multiplication. Today, this week, we are going to work on division strategies. And so we're going to go back today to our target. That is going to be dividing 2-digit numbers and interpreting the remainder. So what do we do with that remainder? So today we're going to think about, are we going to just leave the remainder as a whole number, just like as a remainder of 2 or remainder of 3, or do we turn it into a fraction? Could it be 1/2, 1/4, and then also could we turn it into a decimal? So we're going to look at when those 3 things might apply to the remainder. So way back in school, probably I would say November, December, we were working on division. And we had something like this. This one says I have $38. I want to divide it between 4 friends. How much money will each friend get? So one strategy we had is, well, we could draw out circles. Those could represent our friends. And then I have $38. Well, I could do 1, 1, 1, 1 and just divide it until I count to 38. Or I could divide by a bigger number. I could give each friend 5 and 5 and 5 and $5 to start with. That means I've used up $5, $10, $15, $20. I could give each one 2 more. So that's $20, $22, $24, $26, $28. Maybe 2 more. Okay, so that's 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Ooh, that's $36. That's really close. If I gave $1 more to each of my friends, it would be over 38. So I know that each friend here could get is $9, $9, $9, and $9. That's 36. That means I have $2 left over. See, $2 for friends, or $1 for 2 friends, if I divide it in half and the friends in half. And then if I divide $1 in half, each one could get 50 cents, because 50 cents 4 times is $2. So that means each friend could get $9.50. So what I did right there is my remainder. I interpreted that, usually with money, our remainder will be turned into a decimal. Okay. I have another situation. Here I have 46 cookies. Okay. If I have 46 cookies and I want to divide them between 4 friends, how much would each get? Well, I could do 5, 10, 15, 20. I could put 5. Ooh, I could probably even think about 10 as my friend. If I gave each friend 10 cookies, that's 40. 41, 42, 43, 44. So that means each friend is getting 11, 11, 11, and 11, which is 44. That means I have 2 cookies. I have a remainder of 2. So what I could do with those cookies is I could divide each cookie in half. It's kind of easy to divide a cookie in half. I don't think I would have divided more than half, but I could say each friend gets 11 cookies and then also a half a cookie. So it would be 11 and a half cookies. And I can check that thinking, okay, 11 times 4 is 44 with the remainder of 2. So 44, 45, 46. And then I'm putting my remainder as a fraction. Now another situation, what if I switched my cookies this time and I had them as suckers? Okay, now I've got 46 suckers and I want to divide them between 4 friends. I do the same thing, but when I have my remainder of suckers, Everyone would get 11. That would be 44. 11 remainder 2. Now, can I divide 2 suckers between 4 people? I don't think that's going to work very well. So that one, I will probably just leave my remainder as a whole number. So today on your work, think about using pictures, using diagrams to do your work, dividing, and then how am I going to interpret that remainder? And then let's pretend that, say that you have 25 divided by 4, and you divided 4 times, and you would probably end up getting 6 in each group. 6, 6, 6, and 6. That's 24 with the remainder of 1. I want to make sure I check my work, so I know that 4 times 6 equals 24, plus if I add my remainder of 1, I get to 25. So I know my work is correct on my division. When you do your work in your packet, day 1, the first part wants you have room to draw your pictures and then fill in. Do you want to leave the remainder as a whole number, a fraction, or a decimal? So you have 2 questions right there. The back side, the 2 questions, are really a 2-step problem. The first one, you have to remember that if there's 7 dozen cookies, remember there's 12 in a dozen. So you're going to have to figure out how many cookies 7 dozen would be. Okay, so solve that. So that's a 2-step. And the second one, you've got some money to add, $3.50, $4.50, and then $2. You're going to add that total up, and then you're dividing that by 4. So there's 2 steps to solve those. And then your work on Tuesday will be taking some different amounts, 2-digit numbers, and dividing it by, this one you're dividing by 8, this one you're dividing by 6, this one you're dividing it between 9. So you can use the workspace to draw circles to represent the groups and break those numbers up and figure out how many wholes you will have and then what's the remainder. So that is your work for Monday and Tuesday with division. And so it's kind of a review. We've done this earlier in the year. The reason we are starting with that, though, is going to get us ready for Wednesday. And so by Wednesday, we're going to move on to some bigger numbers. And we're going to use something familiar, a ratio table. And Tuesday, we're going to become experts on how to divide even like a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, but something we're familiar with a ratio table. So stay tuned for Wednesday for some new learning on division. And just remember, division and multiplication are related. So if you can multiply, you can divide too. So have fun with your work Monday and Tuesday, and stay tuned for our next learning on Wednesday. Have a good week, good start to the week. See you later. Bye.